A public safety threat or a personal choice. Newly proposed legislation may force more Texas parents to vaccinate their kids. The goal? To prevent a measles outbreak. New at 10, Andrea Lucia dug up vaccination details from North Texas school districts.
9-year-old Amara insists she likes vaccinations.
You're okay with getting a shot?
Yes.
Some of her classmates' parents may not.
I have a couple of good friends who have opted to not because they worry about the autism. And
State Representative Jason Villalba is proposing to bar public school students from opting out for personal or religious reasons.
We're trying to just make sure that if you want to send your kids to public school, that you're going to get them properly immunized so you don't bring these diseases to the school.
There are a little bit more every year.
The number of kids voluntarily opting out of immunization statewide has tripled in 6 years. School districts track each one.
Should we get a kind of infectious disease like measles, that we would know who they are and they would have to be excluded from school.
Take a look. North Texas school districts last year had fewer than 2% of students opting out. The numbers were higher at private schools, where as many as 13% were unvaccinated. Villalba's bill wouldn't affect them.
Private schools currently have their own protocols in place. They can do what they want.
And for students who can't afford private school,
they can homeschool, which doesn't cost anything.
Sarah Bravo isn't sure how she feels.
it's because, I think the government has their hands in too many things and they're trying to control too much. But then on the other hand, I would want them to, because then, everybody's safe. So it's kind of one of those catch-22s.
Andrea Lucia, CBS 11 News.
Villalba's bill would still allow students to opt out for medical reasons. That requires a doctor's approval, and it's much less common. We've posted district-by-district numbers on our website. Find how many students have filed for vaccine exemptions. Our data covers the entire state. Find it all at cbsdfw.com.
And all new tonight, kinder care workers all across the country are now required to get measles vaccines if they want to keep caring for young children. 5 infants too young to get the vaccine came down with the measles at a Chicago area kinder care. The company will now require workers who care for children under 15 months to get the vaccine. And vaccines are the topic of our instant poll tonight on cbsdfw.com. Do you think Texas should get rid of the non-medical exemptions for child vaccines? New poll results out just now. 66% saying nope, don't think so. 34% of you say yes. You can add your vote. Get in here, get your opinion heard. Yes or no. You can text that answer to 84816. You can tweet your answer to us at CBSDFW is our handle, and you can just send us yes or no, or you can vote cbsdfw.com/poll.